Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. Today we are diving into calculated fields in Tableau. Let's start with a fundamental question. Why do we even need calculated fields? As you have learned while building dashboards and charts, you typically pull fields directly from your data source to the view. But what happens when you need additional information that is not available in your data source, or you want to manipulate and transform existing data into something new? That's where calculated fields come in. Calculated fields in Tableau allows you to create new field by using formulas or expressions. These fields can be based on original data, and they enable you to build complex logic or derive new insights that were not immediately present in your raw data. So how do we create these calculated fields in Tableau? There are 5 primary methods, 4 of which are global, meaning once you create the calculated field, it will appear in the data source and can be reused in any worksheet or workbook connected to that source. The 5th method is local. You create a calculated field that is specific in one view. This is known as a quick calculation. Let's explore these methods one by one. Data pane method. Right click on any white space in the data pane on the left side. Select create calculated field. This brings up a window where you can write your expression. Click on the small arrow next to the search bar, create calculated field, leading you to the same window. Right click on any existing field in the data pane. For example, here on sales, right click, create, and then create calculated field. This will automatically include the field name in the expression window. And the next one, go to the Analyze menu at the top, select Create Calculated Field. Again, you will see the similar expression window. No matter which method you choose, you will end up with the same result, a new calculated field in data source. Now, the last one is the Quick Calculations. Now, let's move on to creating a local calculated field that's specific to just one view. This is called a Quick Calculation. For example, let's take the region and drag it into the rows. If you will double click on this field, you will be able to write a quick calculation. Let's say I want to transform these region names to uppercase. We can use the Tableau formula upper. So I'm typing upper, and this field will be under these parentheses. Once you hit enter, you will see these names are now in uppercase. However, this change is local. It is only affect this view. The original data source remains unchanged. But if you decide that this transformation is useful, you can drag this calculated field from the view to the data pane, making it available globally. On the screen, you see a small window. This is where we create what's called a calculated field. At the top, we have a box labeled region upper. This is just a name we are giving to our new field. Next, below is the formula. In this formula, upper is a function in Tableau. A function is just a tool that helps you to do something specific with your data. Here, upper is telling Tableau that I want to convert the region into uppercase. Then this region is the field we are working with. It's the original data like South, Southern, Central, and North. After typing out the formula, Tableau checks if it's correct. You will notice it says the calculation is valid. This means everything is good to go. If I will remove this parenthesis, now you can see our calculated calculation is not okay. Now I'm putting this parenthesis again. Now everything is okay. One dependency. You might have noticed something at the bottom that says one dependency. What does that mean? Well, dependency here is just a way of saying that this new calculated field region upper relies on another piece of data. In this case, the region. So our new field can't exist on its own. It depends on the data in region field. That's why it says one dependency, because it's connected to this one field.